Restoring your BIBO bar to its factory settings. You can restore the BIBO bar factory settings, but this should only be done with advice and guidance from our technical team. We strongly recommend that you speak to us first. Select the menu button on your BIBO bar screen and navigate to Restore Settings by touching the red cup button 8 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the Restore Settings function. Select your preferred option by using the red cup button. Once you've made your selection, touch the menu button to save the setting. To go back to the home screen, press the Return button twice. Your factory settings have been restored and you can now start afresh. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.